Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. It is Friday. I am making my coffee. It is almost 9:30. I have to leave here in like 10 minutes. I've got therapy this morning. I actually got to sleep in this morning, not on purpose, but I think I woke up at like 7:30 and I looked at the TV because we have our clock on the TV and it said 7:30 and I was like, oh, I have some more time. So I went back to sleep and then I woke up and it was like 8:40 and I was like, oh crap, I gotta get up and get ready. So I got ready really quickly, did my hair, did my makeup, and now I'm in here making coffee. Cannot go without coffee. So like I said, I have therapy at 10, so I'm getting ready to head out the door, but I did go to the Dollar Tree last night, so I wanted to share with you a Dollar Tree haul. I was able to get everything in one big bag. I like using their big bags because I can fit everything. So anyways, I got this OxyClean pen. We have a spot on our pillow. I honestly think it's soda that I wanted to try and get off my receipt. I am finishing up our collage wall. There's a few spots that I thought some smaller picture frames would be good. So I got two of these little white cute ones. I got this one I thought would be really cute. And then I got three of these smaller ones. I don't know if I'm going to use these, but I have them if I decide I need them. Me and all three of the kids needed new toothbrushes. Fun fact, Liam has been recently obsessed with brushing his teeth, which I'm super thankful for. I'm all for it. But when he can't find his toothbrush, I caught him in my bathroom this week. He was using my toothbrush. Who knows how many times he's done that? And honestly, I don't even want to think about it because that's one thing that is like a no to me. You do not share toothbrushes, teeth brush, whatever. And so, yeah. So I need a new toothbrush. I found that I really like these Reach ones, and it comes with a toothbrush cover too. And then I got all three of the kids their own toothbrush. So I got Liam this Crayola one that's red. I got Bristol a Barbie one, and then I got Riley a Paw Patrol one. And then Liam likes using like adult toothpaste, so I just got the girls this Silly Scents from Crayola. It's watermelon flavor. So there's that for them. I also picked up Riley a few little figurines. She loves these. So I got her an Elmo one, a Cookie Monster. Is this Cookie Monster? Yeah. And then Big Bird. I also got these little stick-up air fresheners. I think I'm going to put one of these in my car and see if that helps. Liam is just a stinky boy, and he sits in the back and he just stinks. Like, he's at that age where his whole body chemistry just stinks no matter how much deodorant he puts on, brushes his teeth, he showers every day. Like, it just does not matter. He's just at that stinky age, and so he's stinking up my car. I also got Bristol some deodorant. She is 7, so she's definitely starting to get to that age where she needs a little something. So I thought just starting out with something like this would be good. Liam was all out of shampoo and body wash in his bathroom, so I got him this Old Swagger or Old Spice dupe. It smells really good. And then I also got him this shampoo. It says 3-in-1, but he knows better than to use it as body wash. And then he also needed another loofah, so I got him one. And I got both of the kids a Blue Raspberry Prime. And then I thought that I would get them some ring pots. I'm probably going to take one of these bags tomorrow. We are actually going to Silver Dollar City tomorrow. Silver Dollar City. I have such a hard time saying that. I was editing my video back last week and I realized that I just like put it all together. But anyway, Silver Dollar City. We're going tomorrow. So I thought it would be cool to let the kids have one of those. Just a little treat. So anyways, I need to get going. I've got therapy and I need to get on the road. My groceries are just delivered, so I'm going to share with you the meal plan real quick, and then I'll share with you my grocery haul. So Friday is tonight. Kids are going to have freezer food, whatever they can find. I'm going to go to dinner with some girlfriends. Tomorrow night we are going on our little family trip, so we're just going to figure it out, probably go out to eat, honestly. Sunday, chicken enchilada soup. Monday, tater hot casserole with green beans. Tuesday, chicken Alfredo and broccoli. Wednesday, grilled turkey and cheese with french fries. And then Thursday, my kids go to their grandma, so we usually go out to eat or just kind of figure it out. And then for meal prep, I've got broccoli salad I want to make. I've got some cookies in the fridge that I need to get baked up before they go bad. I've got apples here that I want to cut up and do some dip with, my overnight oats, my yogurt bowls, and then my husband requested eggs and sausage for his breakfast this week. So let me share with you the grocery haul. All right, here's the overview. I got a pack of water. Also needed some more kitty litter, some more Russell Stover sugar-free chocolate. This has been a lifesaver for my sweet tooth. Also got some Swerve regular sugar. I'm going to use this in my broccoli salad. Since I'm the only one that's going to be eating it this week, I thought that would be just better. And then I got some corn chips for when we have our chicken enchilada soup. I got a pineapple and some bananas for some fruit for the week. Restocked on my husband's granola bars. I also got some canned stuff, so cream of chicken and cream of mushroom for tater tot casserole, red enchilada sauce and rotel for the chicken enchilada soup. Also got a couple of these nachos with cheese dip and salsa for my husband's lunches. He still has 2 of the cheese and crackers in the fridge, so I just got him 2 for the week. Sharp cheddar cheese for whatever we need it for, honestly. Shredded lettuce for salads. I got some whipped cream cheese for the apple dip. I was going to make my own, but then I was like, you know what? This is just as good and it'll save me some time. So just got some of that. Some light Greek vanilla yogurt for my yogurt bowls. They did not have my blue cottage cheese, so I decided to try the fat-free cottage cheese. So we'll see. It's got 13 grams of protein for 80 calories for half a cup. So, I mean, it's better macros, but we'll see how it tastes. And then I also got some more of my favorite granola. This is the Purely Elizabeth chocolate chip cookie granola. It is really good and delicious. And then I actually ordered the mini little chocolate cones, but they substituted with the regular. I got these for my kids, but I don't know. We'll see if they can eat a whole one. I doubt they can, but anyway, I didn't get to decline the substitution. Mint chocolate chip ice cream for my husband. Some eggs and a sausage for his breakfast prep. Fairlife chocolate milk for when I have my overnight oats, and then I also use it in my coffee sometimes, and then Riley and the kids have some too. And then also a gallon of milk. Just finished up this collage wall from what I got from Dollar Tree, but I still think I need a few pieces, like right there, and there's like a little open spot right there. So I feel like I still need maybe like 4 more, because I want to move that picture over and put something right there. And then I think it might be done. I don't know. I'm like, every time I come in here, I'm like, okay, I need something else. You know what I mean? So, but anyway, this is what it looks like. I mean, I'm loving it how it is right now, but I just feel like it's missing something. Good morning. It is Saturday. It is 7:30 in the morning. We got ready this morning and we are actually at the gas station. My husband went inside to get drinks and we are headed to Silver City. So we're going to stop and get some breakfast at this gas station. It has a McDonald's attached to it. And then we're going to be on the road. The park opens at 9:30 and we're just going to spend all day and we're really excited. Are you excited? I'm talking to you. Me? Yeah. Yeah. Good morning. It is Sunday. It's about 9 o'clock. I just finally got out of bed for the day. I've been scrolling TikTok for the last hour, but I'm finally up and I'm getting dressed, washing my face, doing all the things, you know. So yesterday, Silver City was really fun. The kids had a blast. Me and my husband had fun with the kids, and it was just all in all a really good day. I'll pop up some pictures at the end of the vlog probably, and if you missed my Instagram posts, they're all there too. But yeah, we just had a really good day, just spending time with family and the kids having one of their first experiences. We rode a roller coaster that was my first roller coaster
when I was a kid, and it was actually really fun. Like, I would consider trying another roller coaster again, because I told my husband, I was like, you know, it's been 10 years since I rode a roller coaster, and I've had 3 kids since then. Surely I can ride a roller coaster after having 3 kids, you know what I mean? So I faced my fears and I went on the roller coaster, and I actually had a really good time. So that was good. And then we went on just a couple more little rides. I feel like there used to be a lot more rides, but maybe that's just because when I was a kid, it just seemed so much bigger. Because I don't think I've been there since, like, well, I mean, it was before I had kids for sure. So at least 10 years. But anyway, all in all, it was a really good day. We got home last night, and I think we got home at like 6. But we just relaxed on the couch for the rest of the night. I watched some TV, and then I scrolled TikTok and read some of my book. And yeah, it was just a good day. But that being said, today I am not feeling very motivated. I kind of just want to do nothing today. So I'm taking it baby steps. We'll see how much we get done today. I really don't anticipate it being a whole lot. Okay, so it is it really 11:40? Well, anyway, I guess I wasted a lot of time. So my house is a complete disaster. And it's one of those things that if I tidy it up and get things back where they need to go, I'm not doing a deep clean, I'm literally just tidying, then I will feel better and I feel like I can be more productive. So I just finished my coffee. I'm going to put on my headphones, put on some motivational music, and I'm going to clean this house. I'm just going to go room by room. I like to start at the back of my house, move my way forward. I'm not going to be touching the kids' room, so I'll just do my bathroom, my bedroom, my office, that area over there, and then the living room and the kitchen.
Like I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand. Standing in the shadows of where we have been. Sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been into places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make. And I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one.
So I just finished cleaning the house, and I wanted to share with you, I set this new litter box up. It is a stainless steel litter box, and then it comes with a litter catching mat, and it also comes with the scooper. And I think I'm really gonna like this because she is so messy when she uses her litter box,
And I have to sweep in here like every single day because she just, you know, she likes to dig for gold. So anyway, I've actually done some research, and stainless steel litter boxes are better because they don't hold all of that odor like plastic litter boxes do. So if you're in the market for a new litter box, definitely recommend a stainless steel one. If I can remember, I can link this down below for you. I just got it on Amazon. I also wanted to share with you guys this little art portrait that we got yesterday at Silver City. It is so cute. It was just one of those little shops, just randomly. I'm gonna go ahead and get dinner in the crock pot. So I've got my small crock pot here. I've got a fairly big chicken breast here. I've just been letting it thaw in the sink this morning. I'm gonna throw that in. And then in this measuring cup here, I've got 3 cups of water, some of this Knorr chicken tomato bouillon. This stuff is delicious. And then I've also got a tablespoon of ranch seasoning and about a tablespoon and a half of taco seasoning. So I'm gonna throw that in, kind of mix it around a little bit. And then I'm gonna add in 2 cans of black beans that I have drained and rinsed. Let me get my can opener. I've got a can of mild Rotel. I'm gonna drain it just like very loosely. I'm not gonna drain everything, but I do want to get a little bit of the liquid out. Which honestly, there wasn't even that much in there, so I'm not too worried about it. And then lastly, I've got just a can of red enchilada sauce. We're making chicken enchilada soup, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that. I don't really have a set recipe for this. I just thought the ingredients would go well together, and I wanted to make something with chicken and black beans, so here we are. I'm gonna add that in. And that is it. I'm just going to stir it all together. I'm not going to add any salt because we've got all that bouillon in there, so I'll wait until the end to taste for salt. So there's that. Just gonna pop a lid on it and I'll let it cook on low all day. I went ahead and got my weekly meal prep done for the week, so my overnight oats and my yogurt bowls, and then we had dinner, and that was it for this vlog. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure and give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you in my next one. Bye.